Good morning students. Today we are continuing with our square and squared. So our exercise 6.3, starting our question number 5. Find the smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied. See over here. It should be multiplied so as to get a perfect square. So over here means what? This is not a perfect square. We have to make it into a perfect square by multiplying a number. So what we have to do? Find the LCM of this. So 252. Over here 2 is the last digit, so it is coming in table of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, remaining is 1 over here. 2 6s are 12. Now again 6, so it is coming in table of again 2. So 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6. Again 3, so 3 is coming in table of 3. 3 2s are 3 1s are. Now 21 again coming in table of 3. 3 7s are and 7 1s are. Now see over here what is been told. Write the smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied. Now for the square root we have to find the common of the two both. So over here 2 is there, over here 3 is there, but over here 7 pair is not being over here, only 1 times 7 is there. So what should be multiplied by 252? So 252 should be multiplied by 7. Okay. So when I am multiplying 7 over here, I will get a perfect square. So if I am multiplying 252 by 7, I will get as 1764. 1764. So if I am making a 1764, how I will do it? 1764 is equal to root of 1764 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7, which I got over here, and this multiplied by 7. So I will be getting a root of over here. So root of 1764 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. Over here 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. So it will be giving me as 2 3 are 6, 6 7 are 42. So root of 1764 is 42. Okay, understood over here. See again I am explaining. Smallest whole number should be there. So for 252 it is being told what should be multiplied. So means what should be multiplied with, this is not a perfect square. So we require some number. So first we are finding it. So 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. Over here 1 is remaining. 2 6s are 12. 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. 3 7s and 7 1s are 7. So over here you can see a pair of 2 over here, pair of 3 over here, but you cannot see a pair of 7 over here. So 256 should be multiplied by 7. So what I get? 1764. So I can find the root of 1764. How it is? 2 into 2, 3 into 3, and 7 was there till 252. But we also multiplied 7. So also multiply by 7 only. We will get 1764. So over here 2, 3, 7. It is 42. So root of 1764 is 42. Now moving on to our question number 2, 180. Again 0 is there, last digit, so it will be coming in table of 2. 2 9s are 18. 0, again 0, so again in table of 2. 2 4s are 8. 1 remainder, 2 5s are 10. Now 5. So 5 will be coming in table of 5. So 5 9s are 45. So over here 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Okay. Now over here you can see a pair of 2 over here, a pair of 3 over here, but you cannot see a pair of 5. So what I will do? 180 multiplied by 5, which will be giving me as 900. Now root of 900 will be equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 into 3 into 3. Okay, so you can see 2's over here 5 and over here 3. So what I will do? Root of 900 is equal to 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3. So 10 over here and over here 30. So root of 900 is 30 over here. Okay, now question number 3, 1008. Again same concept. So over here 1008 is there. So which table? 2. 2 5s are 10. Over here 0, over here 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. And over here 2 2s are 4. Now again 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. 1 remainder. 2 6s are 12. 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are 6. Okay. So over here again 3. 2s are 3. 1s are 3. 3 7s are and 7 1s are. Okay. Now for 1008, so what I will do? See over here, a pair of 2 is over here, a pair of 2 is over here, a pair of 3 is also over here. So a pair of 7 is not there. So what I will do? Multiply 1108 by 7. So 8 7 is 56. And over here, so 7056. So root of 7056, which will be equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. So over here it will be giving me as 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 4 into 21. So it will be giving me as 84. Okay. Now over here 2028. So over here I will writing as 2028. So again 8 is there. So it will be coming table of 2. 2 1s are 0, 1 and over here 4. 2 5s are 10. Because in 2 table 1 is not coming, so we are taking 2 digit over here. 2 5s are 10. Now in 2 table 1 is coming, no. So over here 0. Now 14 is there. 2 7s are 40. Now 7 is there. So you can take in table of 3. 3 1s are 3. So how much is remaining over here? 2 3 6 are 18. Over here again remaining is 2. 3 9s are 27. Now over here 169. 169 is something root over here. What it is? 13 13s are 13 1s are. Now over here you can see a pair of 2 over here, a pair of 13 over here, but you cannot see a pair of 3 over here. So what we will do? Multiply. So it will be giving me as 2028 multiply by 3. Okay. So 8 3s are over here. So it was 6 7 8 and over here 6084. Now root of 6084. Okay, root of 6084. So it will be giving me as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 into 3 multiplied by 13 into 13. So it will be giving me as 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 13. So 2 3s are 6. 6 into 13, which will be giving me as 70. Okay, so root of 6084 is 78. Okay, understood over here. Now we are going to do our question number 6. Okay.